children, hope you have completed exercise 3.3. Now today in this video lesson I am going to explain exercise 3.4, that is division. Children, division of large numbers is similar to that how we used to do for the smaller numbers. Yes. Now today I am going to explain exercise 3.4, 12th sum. And before starting this, I want to tell you one more interesting thing, that is division is reverse of multiplication. So division you can check by doing the multiplication whether your division is correct or not. Now the 12th sum is 5032907 divided by 385. Now 385 is little bigger number. Yes, till now in the earlier classes you have learnt only 2-digit division. But here it is, you are dividing with a 3-digit number. Maybe you are worried that you don't know the table. Children, a small technique. Even in your class, last year class, we have explained that when you don't know the table like 3-digit number or like 27, 57, 88. So what you should do? You should write all the numbers like this and you should do the multiplication. Like how I did here. See, 385 ones are 385. 385 twos are. Multiply 385 by 2 and write the answer here. 385 into 3. Multiply 385 into 3 and write the answer. 385 into 4. Multiply 385 into 4 by normal multiplication method and then write the answer. And this way you can complete the table. And now children, one more thing. Writing the table in the rough column is mandatory, that is compulsory. If you write like this, you can avoid the mistakes in calculating. Clear, children? Now, shall we start the division? Yes. $385. Children, as the dividend is large number and the divisor is a 3-digit number, now you have to consider the 3 digits. Because as it is a 3-digit number, you have to consider the 3 digits. Now 385. Now here in this sum, 3 digits are 503. 503 is bigger than 385. So you can start doing with 503. Suppose if here the 3-digit number is smaller than the divisor, then you need to take the 4-digit number. Clear, children? So 385. Check in 385 table where you will get 503. If you are not getting 503, then take the smaller value. Now here 385 twos are is 770, which is bigger than 503. So take 385 ones are 385. Clear, children? Done. Subtraction. 13 minus 5. It is 8. You are borrowing. Here this will become 9. 9 minus 8 is 1. This will become 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. 118. Now bring 2 down. 1182. Check this number in the table. If you did not get this number, take the nearest value, 1182. So here, this is the value, smaller than this value. So 3s are 1155. Now again, borrow. This is 12. This will become 7. 12 minus 5, it is 7. 7 minus 5 is 2. Then 0 and 0. Now again, bring 9 down. 279, as 279, you have already brought 9 down. But here 279 is smaller than 385. So you need to bring one more digit down. So for that, you need to keep 0, then bring the other number. Clear? Now 2790. Why you kept 0 here? Because at a time you cannot bring the 2 digits down. So you have to keep the 0. Now 2790. Where is 2790? We don't have 2790 in this table. Now take the nearest value, that is 2695. So 385 sevens are 2695. So 10 minus 5 is 5. This will become 8. Borrow again. 18 minus 9, 9. This will become 6. This is 0, 0. 95. So bring 7 down. 957. So this is the smaller number. So 385 twos are 770. Here you can do 7. 15 minus 7, 8. Now this will become 8. 8 minus 7 is 1. 187 is a remainder. And how you will check the answer, dear? So here divisor is equals to 385. Dividend is equals to 5032907 dividend. Quotient is equals to 13072 and remainder is equals to 187. Check the answer. It is given in the question. Check the answer. How will you check the answer? As I told you, division is a reverse of multiplication. You can check the answer by multiplying these numbers. Now shall we go with check the answer? Yes. Yes. Here we finished our division and we got divisor is 385. Dividend is the number, where quotient is 13,072 and remainder is 187. Now how to check? So check is dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So what is dividend here? 5032907 is equals to divisor is 385 into 13072 plus 187. So here you need to check whether you get here both the answers what you are getting is same or not. 5032907 is equals to, when you multiply 385 into 13072, you will get 5032720. Yes children, if you multiply 385 into 13,772, you will get 5032720 plus 187. And here you will get the same answer. Children, don't write directly. You have to do the multiplication calculation and then you have to find out whether you got the same answer or not. Here both the answers are same, therefore our division is correct. So understood children? So in the same way we can do with a large number, division of large number with a 2-digit number, division of large number with a 3-digit number. Hope you understood the concept and try to complete the sums in the exercise 3.4. Thank you children.